over.
Almost.
See?
Fat lady singing. Nice. Here's the finish line. Right around the corner. She's doing good. Doing good.
Is that the finish line?
Right around the corner.
Uh-oh.
Big balloons.
Almost there.
Yep. You didn't even stop once, just a little bit water.
And that doesn't even count.
Right, here we go.
Almost to those balloons.
Here we go. Yes. Finish strong. All right, you got it. You got it. Let's go. You got it right underneath the sign. Look at that, 45 minutes. You got it, you got it. You got it. Woo! Woo! All right. How'd that feel?
Hot.
Hot? High five. Nice. Congratulations, girl.
Good job.
Awesome.
I'm tired.
Ran the whole way. The whole way.